Alright, so I'm going to make this tapered part here, and I'm actually just one. Alright, so we're doing floating arm. I'm going to start with this piece, 0.88, tapering down to 0.68, and I'm going to make the length of it 5.75. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a line that's 5.5. And then I'm going to make two lines, one that is 0.88 and one line that is 0.68. And then there's a constraint that we're going to do. I'm going to make sure nothing's selected. I'm going to select midpoint. I'm going to say I want this line to be here and this line to be there. Amazing. Now I'm going to connect these two endpoints here. Boom. And I'm going to finish the sketch. Now I'm going to extrude that out a distance of 2.25, and then I'm going to make this sketch on top of it with these circles. So I'm going to extrude these two, I'm going to extrude, click these two sketches, and move it out, and I'm going to make a new sketch on top of it. I'm going to make 3 concentric circles, 1.75, or 1.5, 1.25, and 0.5. And I want to put it right in the center. Oh wait, there we go. So 1.5, 2.5. And then I'm going to do a tangent to the end. And then I'm going to create lines that go up to the edge here. So I'm going to go from this point to again. So when I get to the circle, it actually makes the tangent symbol, which is what I want. And oops. Try that one more time. Okay. I actually want to cut out all this extra bit here. So I'm going to make a sketch that kind of like goes around the part like that. And now I'm going to extrude and cut this bit, and this bit. There. If this is too long, I'm just going to cut it later. So I'm going to now make this extrude out. And the thickness of this is, so it needs to go 0.98 and 1.5. So I'm going to do I'm going to open up my sketch and turn on this sketch. So I want this bit to go 2 sides. The first one is 0.5, and the other distance is negative 0.98. Not sure. No, I need to take out 0.15. So it's 0.7, 0.83. Boom. Alright, so I can take off the visibility of that. Oh, I also want to extrude and cut the middle circle. So I'm going to put this. I'm going to cut all. Now we have that. Okay. So now that we have this end tapered part, that was really annoying. We're going to find the midplane of this and do this circle on it. So to do that, I'm going to construct a midplane this surface, this surface. And on this, I'm going to create a sketch of the two circles. The circle is a diameter of 3.9. Yeah, 3.9. And the circle inside of it is 1.5. And the distance between this and this is 5. And in order to get the center of the circle to dimension, I need to create a project for this circle. So then now that circle, I can see the center of that circle because it's in the other sketch. So I'm going to click here, in the center of that circle, and so that is where this little and then I'm going to extrude up 0.75 and down 0.75. So I'm finished my sketch, and I'm going to extrude this two sides. One direction is 0.75, the other direction is 0.75, and then we'll and you'll notice my original, this thing was too long, and I did it 0.75 before, anyway, you could make this sketch shorter, is one option. Like I could right click and edit that sketch so that it's shorter. Or I think even easier is I could do extrude, and I can click this sketch, and I can just pull it down. Okay, so it's gone. Yay. All right, so now that we've finished that, I'm going to make some holes in this. This hole here is 0.38. Let's see where our work planes are. So that work plane is going to work for me to be on the outside here. I had issues with it, it was moving with my mouse, and I couldn't figure out how to fix it. So I saved it and exited out it and came back. So I'm going to create a hole on the side. So basically in our sketch, when we first created it, there's going to be work planes that are in different spots. I want to find one that's parallel to where I want to make my sketch. So mine is the XZ. If you started your sketch on a different plane, it might be a different one, but I want it to be parallel to where I want my sketch to be. And what I'm going to do is make it visible. Yeah. So basically it's this plane. So I'm going to go construct a tangent plane. And the face is here. Oh. Exactly where I want it to be. Perfect. Reference plane is here. Let's try that again. Construct. I might be able to do that for the other one. Alright, so now that we have this work plane, I'm going to right click work plane to create sketch. And I'm going to make a circle in the center of that, that is 0.38. And I'm screwed. All right. And then I'm going to do another one. I'm going to do a tangent again. And then I wonder, oh, okay. And then I'm going to do create sketch. And it's, yeah, okay. All right, we're going to do another circle here. Okay, so this one is 0.437. And the height of this is, so we need 0.75 middle. Here. And then I'm going to extrude and cut off. Boom! That was amazing. Okay, so I'm going to stop this. I hope that helps. It looks pretty good. I don't think there's any Phillips. And that's it.